Hey
Hi,
Leon!
Liam.
Oh, boys, let's go. Hi,
Yeah.
guys. Oh, man, it's been a while. Well, not for Taehyun. I saw
Yeah,
him the other
we
Oh yeah,
day here in
two
Singapore.
weeks
I,
ago.
I heard it.
Yeah, we had a great time together. It was nice
Right.
to see him, but the rest of you, it's nice to see your
All of you.
faces. How are you guys? Well?
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're
we're
good.
good. So good.
Oh, did you cut your hair?
No, I just have it tied up. See,
Oh, I
Ah.
see.
that's a good question. I'm
Oh, I
I'm
see.
I'm sorry for tricking you.
Oh yeah, no, it's okay.
I had to get up early, so I had no time to make the
Oh,
curls flow this
Perfect.
morning. So it's still
oh,
there. Don't worry.
Awesome. But it looks
Um,
great.
it's great.
I'm so excited about this album. I've listened to it and I loved it. Seventh Year, A Moment of Stillness in the Thorns. Um, this era represents starting from scratch.
Right.
Was it refreshing to be able to do that? Was it nice to, as I say, start from scratch and tell a new story?
저희한테도 아무래도 새로운 도전이긴 하죠. 저희가 이제까지 7년 동안 한 서사로 이렇게 쭉 파다가 이제 재계약 이후로 새로운 서사로 시작하는 건데, 그래서 사실 시작 단계에서도 좀 인터뷰나 그냥 저희끼리 얘기도 많이 하고 다음 앨범 어떻게 할지 좀 고민도 많이 하고 했는데, 딱 뭔가 저희 8년 차 이제 딱 접어들었을 때 재계약 이후에 우리의 뭔가 고뇌나 이런 고통을 녹이면 어떨까 앨범에 라는 키워드로 이렇게 앨범이 만들어졌습니다.
Right. Yeah, absolutely. And you touched on a lot of points I want to talk about there. The when you renew a contract like that, I mean, that's a big decision, right? And that would invoke a lot of thoughts, a lot of feelings, a lot of thoughts about how you want to move forward. Um, Now that I guess you have re-signed and you're together and you've committed to that, how does that, I guess, impact the direction you want to take things? Talk to me about those internal conversations that you had of okay, this is what we want TXT to sound like for this new era, this new chapter.
I think the difference between our last albums and this album is we used persona like five boys, growing up five boys. But in this album, it's just us. So it can be more honest and personal stories. So it's different but kind of fun.
Yeah, as you say, different and but it still has that TXT down to it. It still has the DNA of Tomorrow by Together in the music, but you are taking it in a new direction, which I think is great for the seventh year. We've spoken about kind of authenticity of it, right? And moving on from the youth and into this new world that you're living in. Um, do you feel like sometimes, or how do you, I guess, make sure that authenticity doesn't feel like a performance in itself, if that makes sense?
그래서 그게 저도 되게 어려웠던 것 같은 게 어쨌든 다섯 소년들로 해서 풀 때는 저희가 조금 더 재밌게 혹은 조금 더 이거를 작품성 있게 어떤 과장과 이런 것들을 할 수 있었는데 이번에 아예 저희의 인터뷰에서 시작한 앨범이라 완전히 저희 얘기를 담으려다 보니까 그 고민을 많이 했던 것 같아요. 너무 솔직해지나? 혹은 너무 일반적인 얘기인가?에 대한 고민을 되게 많이 했었던 것 같은데 그래도 다섯 명이 공통적으로 그때 겪었던 감정인 불안이란 키워드를 되게 수록곡 내에서 여러 표현들로 공감할 수 있게끔 잘 만들어 놓은 것 같아요.
Good. Well answered. And I mean, you talk about the anxiety. Track four, So What, is literally about the uncertainty about the future, right? And those feelings, I guess, for you personally that you've experienced over the last 7 years. That some of the lyrics, so what if they love it or hate it? So what if it betrays me? Um, that is a raw look into the mind of a K-pop idol, right? You are really putting yourself out there in this way, and I'm glad that you were speaking about it in this way because it's not all fun. It looks like fun all the time, but it's not always fun. And I appreciate that you're talking about this. Um, you know, Talk to me a bit about, I guess, finding that fine line and walking that fine line of what you want to express versus what you don't want to express. How do you know when you've kind of found that happy balance?
일단 이 삶에서라고 생각을 하면은 그런 말 못하지 못하는 고민들에 대외적으로 말 못하지 못하는 고민들에 대한 어떤 충족은 사실 멤버들 서로가 되게 채워주는 것 같아요. 저희끼리는 모든 얘기를 다 터놓고 하니까 그런 것들이 밸런스를 맞춰주는 것 같고, 이번에 그 얘기를 이제 하기 전에 아까 말했듯이 걱정했던 거는 이 너무 첫 번째로 너무 모아가 충격을 받으면 안 되고, 그래서 거짓은 없지만 그 정도를 조절하는 작업은 있었던 것 같아요.
Yeah, I think it's done very tastefully. And yeah, you don't want to shock Moa. You don't want to alienate, I guess, the people that have been there for all this time. Um, you know, the album title, as I say, is called Seventh Year, A Moment of Stillness in the Thorns. From the outsider's point of view, your life isn't still. You're moving all of the time. You're constantly doing things. Some of the busiest guys I've ever seen in my life. What does stillness mean to you in a world that seems to never stop moving?
제가 느꼈을 때는 사실 점점 이렇게 재계약 전에 끝이 보인다는 게 저한테는 그런 불확실한 미래가 되게 불안했고 또 그 감정을 가시라고 느꼈었는데 지금 재계약도 했고 좀 더 우리 멤버들과 모아분들과 함께 걸어갈 미래를 약속한 지금이 좀 그 가시덤불의 바람이 잠시 멈췄을 때라고 생각합니다.
사실 그리고 정말 늘 저희는 바빠 보였지만은 그 언제나 저희는 다음의 이야기가 대략적으로 정해져 있었기 때문에 그런 거에 대해서 빨리빨리 작업을 할 수가 있었거든요. 이 활동을 하고 있는 와중에 늘 다음 걸 제작을 하고 있었는데, 이번에 처음으로 브리브 스트레인저스 활동을 할 때 아직 이 앨범에 대한 게 나오지 않았을 때여서 그 사이에 텀 동안 뭔가 다시 한번 멈춰서서 우리가 하고 싶은 이야기는 뭔지, 앞으로 뭘 해야 할지 이런 고민들을 할 수 있었던 시간이 잠시 존재했던 것 같아요. 물론 그 시간에도 투어는 하고 있었지만.
Well answered, both of you. I'm glad that you were able to take that time, and I think that's reflected in the music. Um, you know, what did that time give you? I guess being able to breathe, being able to travel, being able to go do your own thing, solo stuff, and then come back together as a group. What did all of those pieces of the puzzle bring when you came back together?
저는 이번에 이 앨범을 준비하는 시간 속에서 어쨌든 준비도 하고 또 동시에 저희는 일주일 정도 쉬는 시간도 가지고 그때 모리엄도 만나고 했지만은, 근데 그러고 나서 다시 만났을 때 저는 들었던 모든 걸 거치고 다시 돌아왔을 때 들었던 생각은 그냥 팀의 소중함을 한 번 더 느꼈던 것 같아요.
사실 저도 뭔가 이 투모로우바이투게더라는 이 팀명도 그렇고 팀이 처음에는 그냥 그저 그렇다고 느껴졌는데 뭔가 시간이 지나면 지날수록 뭔가 더욱더 소중하게 느껴지는 것 같아요. 멤버들의 성장하는 과정도 보기도 하고 뭔가 이것저것 다 겪어보니까 이 팀만한 팀이 없는 것 같아요.
Oh, that's lovely. I mean, I think it's evident having been there. I've seen you from the very beginning to this moment. That evolution, that change, and I'm so happy to hear as a fan as well that your heart is still in this. That's really nice to hear. Um, you know, another thing that I think has been important for TXT since the very beginning is every album not sounding the same, every era having a different vibe, a different energy. You, out of a lot of the K-pop groups, are one of the ones that are very innovative in terms of genre shifting, right? You jump about in terms of the genres. Um, how does that discussion start in terms of the direction sonically that you want to take things? Do you guys, get together and have a brainstorm? Oh, we haven't done this. Let's try this and this. And talk to me about those initial discussions.
투모로우바이투게더를 해보고 싶은 게 너무 많아서 잘 안 겹치게 되는 것 같아요, 전작들과.
Right, exactly. And I mean, thank goodness, because as I say, not every album sounds different. It all has different energy. I mean, this new album, if you even on the same albums, things sound different, but somehow they sound cohesive, which is a credit to you guys and the songwriters. Um, do you feel like you trust your instincts now more than ever? Like, do you trust kind of, you kind of get into it in the album a little bit, but do you trust kind of yourselves musically more than ever?
그래도 뭔가 사실 초반에 사실 좀 미숙한 부분이 많기도 하고 뭔가 경험이 많이 없다 보니까 부족한 면모가 좀 없지 않아 있었는데, 이게 뭐 음악을 계속 하다 작업하기도 하고 뭔가를 앨범을 내면서 저희도 좀 음악적으로 좀 영감을 잘 받기도 하고 뭔가 조금 더 몰입하면서 작업을 할 수 있게 된 것 같아요.
저는 좀 반대인 것 같은 게 이렇게 활동을 해보고 나니까 제가 라이크 한다고 무조건 굿인 것도 아니고 제가 디스라이크 한다고 해서 무조건 배드인 것도 아니다 보니까 저는 자신이 있었는데 그만한 반응이 안 올 때도 있고 저는 그만큼의 기대는 없었는데 더 뜨거운 반응이 있을 때도 있고 이래서 사실 진짜 되게 나와봐야 아는 것 같아요. 그래서 늘 그 직전이 가장 긴장되고 설레고 그런 것 같아요. 지금도 똑같습니다.
It's good to be nervous. It means that you care, right? You care about what you're putting into this world. But I also, appreciate the fact that you're doing it for you. Yes, you're nervous. People are going to resonate with this, but you're doing it because it's honest to you. And I think that's really important. Um, I keep reading the album title, Seventh Year, A Moment of Stillness in the Thorns. I can't believe it's been 7 years. Does it feel like 7 years to you? I don't know if it does.
저희도
저도 잘 실감이 안
좀
납니다.
이질감이 많이 들긴 해요. 볼 때마다 또 이번 앨범명이 Seventh Year라고 또 적혀져 있으니까 우리가 벌써 이렇게 됐다고 라고 생각하긴 하는데 사실 체감되는 건 활동할 때나 이제 뭐 그럴 때 보통 마지막 순서이거나 저희보다 또 후배님들이 하는 무대들 보면서 아 우리 8년차 맞는 것 같기도 하고 라고 생각하긴 해요.
분명 사실 정말 많은 일을 했는데 근데 그 과거의 일들이 너무 생생하게 어제 같으니까 더 안 믿기는 것 같아요. 사실 리암한테 캐덴도 가르쳐 주던 것도 꽤나 생생해서 그래서 그런 것들이 좀 실감을 안 나게 하는 것 같아요.
It's absolutely mind-blowing. But then at the same time, you look at the musical output, it's there. There's 7 years worth of music there. There's 7 years worth of growth. Even in the choreography, like it just keeps getting more and more complex, visually more and more interesting. It's really rewarding to see. And I mean, seeing things like you do go from little theaters to arenas to stadiums to Lollapalooza. It's incredible, guys, what can be done in 7 years. So, congratulations to you. What do you want fans to know about this era of Tomorrow by Together as you enter this moment?
전 투모로우바이투게더 멈추지 않는다, 무조건 더 간다라는 그런 믿음, 그러니까 기대를 해주셨으면 좋겠습니다.
저는 그냥 뭔가 투모로우바이투게더의 색은 그대로 있는데 뭔가 계속 새로운 걸 경험하게 해주고 싶어요 모아분들한테.
Are you already thinking about how this album will translate live?
물론이죠.
Yeah, sure.
오늘도 연습하면서 생각 좀 많이 했던 것 같아요. 또 어떻게 해야 될지 좀 고민이 많아요.
I can't wait to see how it comes
Look
together.
forward to it. Thank you.
I really am looking forward to it. Guys, it is a really amazing new journey that you guys are embarking on. I think fans will be stoked with it, and I can't wait till we can do this in person. I appreciate you so much. Thank you, boys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys, and go get some sleep. I know it's been a long day.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Have a good day, Liam.
See
Love you so
my
much.
friends.
Thank you.
Bye.